The market of digital currencies has been a consistent fascination with merchants, individual financial backers, and institutional financial backers for a long while, and all the more significantly so in the new pandemic. The credit should be given to the advertised assumptions from government-issued types of money that couldn't endure over the extreme long haul. Running against the norm, digital currencies have shown a prominently calculable cost development, exhibiting huge center-to-long-haul gains. This multitude of variables have been placed on a basic level by one response, the blockchain. With opportunity arrived cryptographic forms of money on the computerized guide with date-set achievements, and afterwards showed the beginning of Qtum. All the more regularly perused is Qtum. The local token Qtum of the Qtum convention is established on the standards of evidence of stake that is famous to be a brilliant agreement open-source blockchain staged with a Steam Move convention. One can say that it brings the smartest scenario imaginable, Bitcoin and Ethereum in one chain, adding the advantages of DeFi applications. The Qtum stage likewise joins UTXO exchange models integrating the execution of brilliant agreement execution and dApps. Qtum, the quantum calling, with a particular target of causing dealers to have a good sense of reassurance and exchanges safer and carried out with lightning-quick speed. Qtum drifted its own ICO in WAC 2017. With a generous increase, it raised $15 million. Despite the fact that in the beginning phase of the send-off, Qtum was an ETH20 token. Later it moved to local blockchain, being onboarded to mainnet. The rudder at the underpinning of the Qtum convention is Patrick Dye, who is a specialist in software engineering from Draper College and has made prestigious commitments to different noted projects like Alibaba, Factom, VetChain, Bitsy Gathering, and Mailink prior to beginning Qtum in 2016. The other two fellow benefactors are the CTO and blockchain draftsman Neil Mahai and lead designer Jordan Lords. As a lead designer, Steven Zhu is a lead engineer of Qtum beginning around 2017 who was passed with Tencent and Microsoft, filling in as a product engineer with a degree in PC Vision from the College of Chinese Foundation of Sciences. The Qtum project without a doubt has a first-class fragment backing the venture with full help, including high-profile names like Bitcoin.com's Roger Ver and Jeremy Gardner, an early crypto financial backer turned skincare proficient, fellow benefactor of Forecast and Iron Blockchain Capital. Qtum roots and development. Throughout some stretch of time, the administration at Qtum understood the constraint of BTC and ETH blockchains and chose to improve, making the Qtum token more powerful and interoperable in light of a legitimate concern for all clients, tending to the center issues of administration and cost-related perspectives concerning evidence of work component and trouble of interfacing savvy contracts with genuine application. Qtum has been a significant supporter of the improvement of unwinding two extraordinary innovations: record deliberation layer and decentralized administration convention, rising up out of Bitcoin with a shrewd layer. The record deliberation layer coordinates the UTXO account layer enlivened by Ethereum. It permits clients to fabricate applications and host them on virtual machines, including the Ethereum virtual machine and the x86 virtual machine. It additionally upholds the i686 guidance set in a few programming dialects like C, C++, Rust, and Python, making it exceptionally simple to adjust existing applications in order for Qtum. One more benefit with decentralized administration convention is that one can change the center boundaries of the organization to foster brilliant agreements like block size and gas expenses, and this doesn't need a hard fork, saving a ton of exertion and time. The whole local area of diggers, designers, and Qtum holders inside the whole environment are a necessary piece of blockchain administration, partaking through casting a ballot, adding to self-administration, redesigns, and cycle. Qtum value figure, market feeling. Going by the past value pattern in specialized examination, Qtum cost has stamped enormous development over the long haul, which could be the essential justification for its notoriety. The ongoing cost of Qtum remains at $7.22, with a market capitalization of $715,678,389.17. The 24 hours exchanging volume of Qtum remains at $178,493,092.94, with a circling supply of 99,057,395 Qtum. The Qtum cost expectations made in light of past information and specialists estimating the future cost of Qtum coins in the crypto market on different digital money trades are summarized underneath. Qtum USD has a splendid future in front of it in 2022, with continuous advancements occurring inside the Qtum environment. We might see the cost of Qtum arrive at new levels. It might outperform its ongoing ATH at about $99.87 this year, assuming financial backers have concluded that Qtum is a productive interest in 2022. Alongside standard digital forms of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum, In view of our Qtum cost estimate, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost expectation for 2027 is $30.14. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 434.39%. According to our Qtum figure, the coin is anticipated to cross $10.24 this year. After the following 5 years, Qtum's cost may be wandering around the $58.82 mark in view of our future figure information. Qtum USD expectations. Toward the beginning of December 2022, the Qtum cost will be around $14.75, a most extreme cost of $15.49, a base cost of $11.80 for December 2022. The typical Qtum cost for December 2022 is $13.65. In view of our Qtum gauge, the cost may be around $14.75 toward the finish of December 2022. Qtum value is by all accounts showing negative condition and not a bullish pattern. The bears will push Qtum cost fall, and the Qtum figure might make dealers sell Qtum cruising at $10.03, and that too with trouble. MACD marker reflects blended feeling as the MACD line and sign line are going to cover. Thus, the coin could exchange a comparative pattern for the close term prior to enlisting any precarious development. The diagram has been estimated for Qtum cost in light of its functionalities, dependability, and security. A further effect on Qtum cost should be visible in view of the exchanging or putting exercises by financial backers in the long as well as present moment. We should investigate the value expectations of this digital money for the impending years. Qtum Value Forecast 2022. Taking into account there is no monstrous instability ahead for the cryptographic money market, Qtum will keep on attesting its situation as one of the significant attractions, as indicated by the ongoing cost developments, authentic information, and our Qtum estimate. What's to come is splendid for clients. They ought to put resources into Qtum crypto to acquire huge benefits as it would cross the $9.83 mark toward the finish of 2022. Qtum Value Forecast 2023. Qtum coin has laid out a dependable organization, and its blockchain innovation-based items might get mass reception over the long haul. In light of our Qtum cost forecast information, the crypto could without much of a stretch cross $11.70 toward the finish of 2023. This Qtum gauge depends on different elements like authentic information, current cost patterns, market cap, items, decentralized applications, and so forth. Qtum Value Forecast 2024. There are not many hypotheses going ahead for the Qtum crypto estimate. In view of our speculation exhortation, a Qtum value expectation of around $11.37 is gauged for 2024. This estimate is absolutely founded on the essentials of Qtum and earlier cost information. According to the anticipated cost level, clients ought to put resources into this crypto to acquire powerful benefit in the long haul. Qtum value